I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change an Audi A3 tire easy method. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and set wheel chocks behind the opposite wheels. Gather a jack, lug wrench, torque wrench, and spare tire. Loosen lug nuts slightly before jacking, lift the car to the correct jack point, remove lug nuts, swap the tire, hand thread lug nuts, lower the car, and finish with a proper torque pattern. Gathering the right tools saves time and stress while changing an Audi A3 tire. Check the spare tire pressure and have a jack rated for your car, a lug wrench that fits your nuts, and a torque wrench for final tightening. Remove hubcaps if present and loosen lug nuts 1 or 2 turns while the car is still on the ground. Always follow the jack point guidance and wear gloves to protect your hands. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep sauces from spilling in your bag, which is great when you work on a car and need a tidy lunch break. Check the description for the product link and other deals, grab a set if you like them, and now let's get back to the video. With the car lifted, finish removing lug nuts and carefully pull the wheels straight off the hub. Place the spare onto the studs, align it, and hand thread the lug nuts to hold it in place. Lower the car until the tire just touches the ground, then tighten lug nuts in a crisscross star pattern to the manufacturer's torque value. Fully lower the car, remove the jack, and recheck torque after a short drive for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.